My name is Mr. Steve.
Story time.
I'm a storyteller. Hello, everybody! It's me, Mr. Steve, and it's time for another story time! And today, it's a beautiful day outside. And leaves are starting to appear on trees, and bugs are flying all over the place. It is spring. Spring is officially here. Today I've got a book about spring, and it's a Trolls book. It's called Trolls, The Sound of Spring. Once again, I want to thank the shoppers at Kohl's for not wanting to purchase any books for their children. So, got this on the cheap. And be sure and keep your eyes peeled, because one of the trolls from the book Trolls is going to pop up during this video. So excited. Oh, is that the troll? Oh no, that was just a panther. Trolls, The Sound of Spring. Let's read this book. It's a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping, except one. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop.
Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going round. Stop.
It sounds like chirping. Is there a bird in the house? Branch looks around. No bird. In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. He checks the village. He cannot find what is making the sound. Just a bunch of trolls having fun, but no chirping. The chirping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he heard the sound. Cloud Guy listens. You know why they call him Cloud Guy? Yeah, because he's a cloud. Should have been clear to you if you didn't answer that correctly. He hears the chirping too. He asks Branch if he is making the sound. Branch says no, and apparently he has telekinetic powers, like Jean Grey or the Invisible Woman. Because Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I am not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He is angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. Man, Branch, you need to chill. Poppy sees her friends. She asks them what's wrong. Branch tells Poppy about the chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where that sound is coming from. Oh, I wonder where. Poppy reaches into... Where's the sound coming from? Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. What? That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Hate when that happens. That happens all the time. Birds see my beautiful green Loki Dr. Doom Godzilla hair and says, oh, this man must be a tree.
I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot.
Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. And guess what came out of the egg? That's right! Mothra! Oh, wait. Sorry. Wrong. There's no kaiju in this. I don't know. Cloud Guy might be a kaiju. Anyway, no kaiju. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Is it Mothra's song? Masuda, yeah, Masuda. Gonga kasakuya indomu. I think I nailed that. I know it's in Japanese. I think I nailed it. Here's the original for proof. did pretty good. And I watch a lot of Godzilla. Anyway. So the bird sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. She comes right away. And they fly off together. Aw, I'm gonna miss that bird. I'm gonna miss that. Everyone waves goodbye. Wave goodbye to the bird, kids. Wave goodbye. Everybody waves goodbye. Branch misses the birds chirping a little, but not too much. Wah, wah, wah. And that's the end of that story. Yay! Well, that's the end of the story, and wow. No troll showed up. Isn't that interesting? I promised you kids that a troll would show up. Gee, I wonder where that troll could be. Ah! It's a troll! Oh no, is this troll gonna attack me? Because most of the time when something shows up at story time, like the pigeon or the dinosaur or what other things have attacked me? Usually things attack me. I'm worried that this troll is going to attack me. What's your name, Poppy? You're not going to attack me, are you? I don't want to be attacked. I don't want to be attacked. Oh, are you dancing? Oh, cool. Poppy wants to dance with Mr. Steve. Well, I'm like the world's best dancer, so yeah, I'm going to pop and lock. Watch this. I'm a robot, doing the robot. Beep, bop, boop. It is the distant future, the year 2000. It's raising the roof. Now it's a party. Check this out. What? Cabbage Patch. John Travolta. Bad Tootsie. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. So I'm going to stay here and dance with Poppy. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe and all those things I'm supposed to say because I'm somebody on YouTube. And Poppy, get out of the way. We'll see you later. Ah, Poppy, stop it. We'll see you later. Bye.